Hello everyone. Current company email in multi-company module will help user to see and mail as in current selected company in the multi-company. Now, after installing this module, let's get into N contacts. In this, we need to create an company specific mail for the user. Now, let's get into the contacts. So from here, let's get into one of the contact which we have created. So now you can see I am in the company named Amsi Woods. So where you can see an email will be automatically changed to Amsi Woods. Now let's change this to BrowseInfo. Now you can see that email will be automatically changed according to that company that we have selected. Now let's change this to my company Chicago. Now you can see it will automatically change the email ID based on the company that we have selected. In this way, we can make use of this module to get an mail as per the current selected company in multi-company. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.